Unit 4420. The suspect is an unknown male, 25 or 30 years old. Black jacket, black boots.
Sir, can we talk to you?
Just want to ask you some questions.
Sir, don't run!
4420 in pursuit. Sir, can we talk to you for a second? Black coat. You see anybody with a black coat?
Black, what? I didn't see nothing.
Force! Hey, we're not gonna hurt you. We're not gonna hurt you.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I didn't mean to.
It's okay. We're not gonna hurt you.
Please don't arrest me. It's just some socks and food for the kid.
What are you guys doing?
Question the suspect.
Handcuffs, really? I mean, just look at him. He's clearly just hungry.
Man, we've got this handled. We're not gonna hurt
Like,
him.
how stupid can you guys be? You literally don't have any evidence.
I saw the evidence in the tent. I'll get out of my face. You're next.
Oh, we got you. You just broke the law, you fascist pig.
There are some lines we can't cross. You can't let social justice warriors trigger you and jeopardize the whole case.
Yes, ma'am. I should have kept my head.
Which law was the woman referring to? And how was it broken?
Fourth Amendment. Even a homeless shelter qualifies as a resident's private domain?
Right. Let's try that again.
Yes, ma'am.